I always knew that, the ability to help the most people was in dental implants. My name is Dr. Alyssa Mancini. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and I own Restore Denture and Implant Center here.
Implants here in the back, 2 implants there in the front.
I knew from dental school early on that I wanted to own my own practice. I didn't necessarily know that it was going to be an implant-only office, but the idea of doing solely that kind of came to fruition, and I knew that was going to be the most impactful way to help these patients. And I was not in a position to do that. I didn't have the say in the types of patients that we were seeing, the types of marketing to bring in the patients that I wanted to see. So my vision was, I could do this on my own and get that rewarding and fulfilling career through dental implants.
The only function of the patient advocate is to get bodies in the door. That's it. Get bodies in the door and keep the CRM up to date. Because the goal isn't to get the leads. The goal is to close the case and grow the practice.
I started branching off on my own. I met Progressive. I went to that boot camp in Vegas, and it was really exciting for me. I got to experience, there are other people doing this. They're doing it successfully. These people have a ton of experience doing this type of marketing, and we shared the same goals. We wanted the same things. We understood the market, and we ultimately believed that it could happen.
Hey, Dr. Mancini, it's Taylor at Progressive Dental. How are you? I just wanted to call because I'm looking back at the numbers from last month, and it looks like you guys were able to hit 28 arches.
I started my own practice. I started with Progressive immediately, and we hit the ground running. Leads started coming in from the get-go. We went through some ups and downs with treatment coordinators, training the team, and getting the right person in. That's one thing that's so important and so impactful in the success of your practice is going to be the right team in place, and getting a treatment coordinator that feels comfortable with the patients, that can talk to patients about the life-changing aspects of the treatment, being able to close the cases, ask for the close. They don't feel shy about, talking about the financing, because all of that is so important. I really do love helping the patients, being hands-on with the patients. When I'm really able to see that change in a patient, we show them their new teeth, they're crying, and you can really just see that their life has changed. It means so much to me. That's why I do what I do, and being able to build that well-oiled machine now allows me a little bit more flexibility and free time where I can open another office or expand. It gives me that flexibility to enjoy my free time, and now I know I can step away for a week for a trip, and leads are being called, consultations are being seen, things are, everything is humming along. Yes, I can kind of explore some business aspirations, but also personal life as well. And the well-oiled machine that Progressive has helped me build has allowed me to do that.